In the first row, we are using two columns. One of them is a perfect place for an outstanding image that will be an eye-catcher for our visitors. The second column will be useful for heading, short description, and call to action button. In the first column of the first row, place an image. You can use any image you want by providing a correct URL. I will use one of the images from the Bootstrap server. We just need to copy image address and add it to our SRC. Save the file and refresh your browser. Here is our image. If you want, instead of using image directly from external website, you can save it and add to MDB package and link it by providing a relative path. So we remove the old link and add a new path, img directory, and the name of the file. Save the file and refresh the browser, and our image is still here. Great. The problem with image is it exceeds the column and we want it to be 7 units grid wide. We can fix it easily by adding a class imgfluid to the image. It will set a width of the image to the 100% of the parent element. And the last thing about image. It's always good for SEO purpose to fill up the alt attribute. It will help the search engine to better understand your website. We can easily enhance our image by adding a subtle shadow, hover effects, and waves effect. To achieve that, we need to place the image within a special wrapper. So let's create a view wrapper. I will explain all that classes in details in the next tutorials. Now just follow me. Save the file and refresh the browser. Now you can see a shadow, waves effect, and subtle hover effect. Nice. Let's create H2 heading, divider, and some lorem ipsum. To create a button, we can use a simple link and add a special classes to it. And the class button and button primary. Save the file and refresh the browser. Our heading, description, and button with redirection to ndbootstrap.com. If you want to play with it, you can change the call to action button. MDB provides you a huge variety of buttons. Go to Buttons Documentation section in our documentation and use the button you like the most. In the second row, we are going to add some detailed information about our website. Our cards will do the work. Cards are great to present content to the users. They are clear, easy to use and elegant. Facebook uses cards, Google uses cards, LinkedIn uses cards. You also should do that, especially that MDB provides you really outstanding cards. Go to Cards documentation and grab the Card with Base effect. Then paste it to each column of the second row. As always, you can adjust the content according to your needs. Change the images, description, buttons, and whatever you want. Now it's time for the footer. Go to Footer documentation and grab the code of basic footer. Then paste it to our project. And here is our footer. Nice blue footer. You can see that our footer already contains a color class blue, which makes it blue. You can easily change it by adding one of over 300 defined color classes provided by MDB. In the next lesson we will learn how to manipulate the MDB colors. You can also notice a class Center on Small Only, which center footers elements on small screens. Alright, the main layout of our website is done, but it's still a lot of details to improve. Example navbar and footer colors are slightly different, and their links are stretched full width, which doesn't look good. Also, content of rows of main section are too close to each other, and there are few more things which should be fixed. We'll take care of it in the next lesson.